Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it's all about how men can lose a belly fat. How men can lose a belly fat. But before we continue, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are looking for videos like this or any video concerning men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. How can men lose belly fat, or which way will men or can men lose their belly fat? Maybe their fat inside the stomach is too much, or the stomach is becoming too big. So what can a man who is affected to reduce that belly fat? I am going to share with you 5 simple ways men can lose their belly fat. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss any step. Number 1 is that men should avoid eating added sugar or sweetened juice, because sweetened juice or added sugar are very harmful. When you eat added sugar or you put added sugar to your diet, maybe you want to drink tea, coffee, or you want to take anything food, you add sugar. Those added sugar are very harmful. So when you add sugar and take it, it goes straight to the liver, and that sugar that goes straight to the liver contains fructose, which makes the liver to be overloaded and cause it fat. And the more fat that accumulates, it goes straight to the stomach and result to belly fat. So when you stop taking added sugar, it will help to reduce a belly fat. Number 2 is to minimize intake of carbohydrates. You know what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates contain starch, and starch is also sugar. And starch is also sugar. So when you take too much carbohydrates, it can also form sugar inside your stomach, which will lead to belly fat. But when you minimize your intake of sugar, it will not cause much belly fat and it will reduce fat in your stomach. I hope you know source of starch. They are white bread and other starchy food. So avoid too much intake of carbohydrates to reduce the amount of sugar that may accumulate or form in the stomach, because the more you eat starch, the more it forms sugar, and the more sugar, the more it causes belly fat. So once you can avoid too much intake of carbohydrates, it will reduce sugar in your body, or the sugar content in your body will be reduced. Number 3 is to take fiber content food. Yes, fiber content food help to reduce weight. Once you can take fiber content food like some plants and fruits that contain fiber, it will help you to minimize or reduce sugar. Example, like orange contain fiber, and other fruits out there that contain fiber, or some food that we eat that contains fiber. Take them to reduce the amount of weight that may form in your body. And you know, more weight, more belly fat. More weight, more fat in your stomach. So take fiber food content or fiber food to help you to lose weight or to reduce fat in your stomach. Number 4 is to take food that contains protein. What are the food that contains protein? There are so many sources of protein which everyone knows. Examples are fish, meat, even beans. All those food that contains protein. You need to take a lot of protein food because protein help to lose weight. Protein help to burn fats in our body. So protein is very good for everyone out there who wants to lose belly fat or who wants to reduce weight. The more intake of protein, the more you lose or you lose weight. So take enough protein to help you lose weight. At least you know source of proteins in the market. You can buy, like I said, fish, meat, and other things that are source of protein. So take them, consume them to help you reduce fat or to control the amount of fat that may accumulate or form in your body. Number 5, and the last and the best way every man or everyone out there will adopt in order to reduce a belly fat is exercise. What is an exercise? An exercise is the ability of doing a particular thing continuously in order to generate heat within you or in order to put a blood pressure or the body to be in a state of temperature or in a state of pressure. That is exercise. When you are doing something continuously to generate heat within you, exercise helps you to reduce the amount of fat that may occur or accumulate in your body. What are the simple exercise that you might do in order to reduce weight? Simple exercise is aerobic exercise. What are the examples of aerobic exercise? Examples are swimming. When you swim, it is an exercise. Another one is walking. When you walk, maybe from a mile to another mile or from one place to another, it is a strong exercise. And the last is running. When you run, it is also an exercise. So when you do exercise, you are trying to burn fat or to reduce the amount of fat that may accumulate or form in the stomach. And those fats are the reason why men or someone is having a belly fat. But with exercise, with adequate exercise, this aerobic exercise will help you to reduce the amount of fat which may occur in the stomach. So these 5 simple ways are the best ways anyone with a belly fat can adopt to reduce a belly fat. I hope you like this video and this video is interesting and you get value from this video. If you do, please don't hesitate to click on the like button so that you will like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to support this channel and to support me. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Like and share this video to your friends and family. Comment on this video. Let me know exactly what you think or the value you get from this video. Comment once again. Let me know what you think. I will appreciate it. And the more you comment, the more you are supporting me. And let me know the areas that I can help. I am too good to reply any comment that you may drop. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.